Hello, welcome back to the Canvas Whisper. A portrait is never just about a face, it's about capturing emotions, stories, and traditions. Today, I'm painting this graceful portrait in watercolor, blending technique with storytelling. So, come, let's begin this journey together. Every portrait starts with a foundation. I have lightly sketched the outline of the face, keeping the features balanced. The eyes are the soul of the portrait, so I made sure they are carefully aligned. Remember, even a gentle pencil mark can guide you through the entire painting. Now I am applying a thin wash of yellow ochre for the skin tone. Watercolor is all about patience. The lighter the first layer, the better for portrait will glow later. Think of it like life. You start with something simple and slowly depth comes with time. Next is the blending warm tones like sienna red and a little burnt umber to bring warmth to her cheeks and depth to the skin. Each brush stroke adds life. Notice how the face is no longer flat, it's starting to breathe. For the hair, I am layering black with touches of brown to avoid flatness. Notice how the strands flow naturally with the controlled strokes. Lips get soft crimson and the nose subtle shadows. Slowly her personality begins to emerge from the paper. For the jewelry, gold tones with delicate detailing bring cultural richness. The mangtika earrings and bindi aren't just ornaments, they symbolize tradition, beauty, and grace. These tiny details made the portrait feel alive. The eyes are the most powerful element. I am dipping them with black and brown tones, making sure they look expressive. A tiny white highlight brings instant sparkle. For the background, I have chosen pastel blue to make the portrait pop, and the face remains the focal point. more than just a watercolor portrait. She carries the aura of tradition, grace, and timeless beauty. That's the magic of art. It does not show us a face, it tells us a story. This portrait inspired you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more soulful art tutorials. Tell me in comments which of this painting touched you the most, the eyes, the colors, or the cultural details. Till then, bye.